beautiflies, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a quick blowout on my hair. I got something in store for you guys, and this is my first time actually blow drying my hair since I did my cut, so I figured why not blow it out. I just washed my hair using cheap products. I don't know if you guys are familiar with cheap products. I'll do a review on that later on down the line, but I really like cheap products, so I just freshly washed my hair, and I'm going to be using my
expensive Revair $400 blow dryers.
I don't know if you guys know about it. I'm gonna show you. Hold on. We're gonna be blow drying with this. Let me just start off by saying this blow dryer is bomb, okay? It is worth every single penny. I love the Revair blow dryers because it straightens your hair in half the time it would take if you use a blow dryer and a flat iron. It works on all hair types, no matter your hair porosity. It doesn't dry your hair. What I love the most is that it smooths and stretches your hair without affecting your hair's curl pattern. So one of the biggest things us natural women worry about is getting heat damage. Been there, done that. So the reason why I love this is because no matter how many times I have used it in my hair reverted right back to its natural state. It gives my hair so much volume as well as shine. It smooths it in 1, 2, 3, okay? So if you push for time and you don't have time to be blow drying, flat iron, taking all day, that's something that we dread. This is definitely a blow dryer you should invest in. Also, another good thing that I like about this blow dryer is that it can change the settings. So depending on how thick your hair is, there's different levels on it. So you can choose whichever is suitable for your hair type. The goal is for me not to get my hair bone straight because I am doing something different to my hair, and I will show you guys that. But I just want to get my hair to be nice, nice and dry and stretched out a bit. So if you guys want to see me turn this curly mess into some straightness, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, don't forget to click the bell so you never miss when I upload, and let's get the blowing. Like I said, my hair is freshly washed. I used the Chi shampoo. My hair is smelling real good, sis. I don't have anything in my hair right now, so you want to make sure before you blow dry your hair, of course, your hair is nice and cleansed. So first thing I'm going to do is, y'all know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna section my hair off. Now that my hair is shorter, I'm a little worried about using this blow dryer because it's kind of like a suction vacuum cleaner. So I hope that it can get what it can get because the back is a little short, but we ain't gonna worry about it. We gonna just do it. I find that using this blow dryer, it works best when you use small parts. Last time I tried it, if you guys have not checked that video out, I'll be sure to link it down below. It kind of was a fail for me. I wouldn't say it was a fail, but my hair wasn't as straight as it could possibly get because I didn't use smaller sections. So now I learned a little bit, and now we're gonna try this again. So I'm just gonna section my hair off in smaller sections, medium sections. Definitely want to always make sure that you put a heat protectant whenever you're applying any type of heat to your hair, just to really protect your strands. I'm going to use the Silk Infusion Silk Reconstructing Complex, and a little goes a long way with this. You literally need a few drops and it's amazing. This just really protects your hair from any type of heat. As soon as you apply it, it literally feels like silk, literally. Then I'm going to use the Keratin Mist, which is a leave-in strengthening treatment. FYI, this blow dryer is a little loud. I'm gonna let y'all hear it, and then after that, we're just gonna speed up the process. All right now, look at that, y'all. My hair is growing so much I can't even deal. Literally is 1, 2, 3. So yeah, you guys see how it works. It's bomb. I'm gonna do this until I finish mine. Y'all see them inches? Y'all see them inches? Them inches is almost back. Y'all, I'm just like, inches come back. I can't believe how much my hair has grown, y'all. Alright, y'all, so these are my final results of my quick blowout. Like I said, I wasn't going for like a bone straight silk press, being that I do have a special style in store for you guys. Like I said, if you feel like your hair is not as straight as you want it to be, you can of course go over it again, and of course, and make sure that you section your hair off in like small sections. Also, you can use a flat iron, but that's not the look that I'm going for. I also just wanted to blow out my hair just to see how my hair is doing, how my length is coming along. And as you can see, my hair has definitely grown tremendously since I cut my hair 3 months ago. The only thing that I hate about this cut that I did is that it's gonna be uneven, being that I got a bob cut, so I kind of was going for like the long hair and the long, and then, you know, like short in the back and then coming down long. So the hair in the back has to definitely catch up to the hair in the front. But listen, I'm really proud of it. I miss my hair. Sometimes when I do a blowout, it makes me think about my relaxed days. I don't know about you guys, but it's just so much easier when your hair is wrapped and straight. When your hair is straight, it's not too much maintenance. You can just wrap it, style it however you want it. It doesn't get knotty. That's pretty much it, guys. Let me know what you think about my blowout. Let me know if you guys are interested in purchasing the Revair blow dryer. I'll be sure to put that as well as the Chi hair products in the description down below. So you guys want to pick them up, you want to check them out, it'll be there for you. Also, comment down below what you think my next hairstyle is going to be, and leave your Cash App tag, because whoever gets it right, I'm going to Cash App you a little something for your pockets. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my quick blowout on my natural hair. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, click the bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.